Morning, my beautiful friends. How are you today? Welcome, welcome, welcome. It's actually Check-in Friday, and we haven't done a Check-in Friday in a while, not in a hot minute. But we're not going to go as depth in Check-in Friday as we've done in the past. We're not even going to do a Check-in Friday. But today I want to ask you something about clarity and confidence, which go hand in hand. They are like brother and sister. They're like soul sisters, right? So think about this for a minute. When it comes to either clarity or confidence, what holds you back? For the most part, I've noticed with a lot of people that I've worked with, it's other people's opinions that hold you back. It's the thought of what other people think, see, believe, and how they project that towards you. And how do you let that impact you? So let's start with what I'm wearing today. I know it's weird, but we're going to go there for a second because you just got to follow along to see what I'm saying. I am going to take the dogs out. I've got my sneakers on. I've got a cute little set of, like, it's a skirt, right? And a Zaya top. And in the middle is my flesh, my beautiful body. And for those that have not been around as long as others, you might not know this. So I had an ankle injury, well, two ankle injuries about it. My recovery, I spent 4 years in physio. Okay, so personal trainer, I was teaching 23 fitness classes a week. I was running 5Ks and 10Ks in a triathlon and a 60K bike ride, all within 6 months, and teaching 23 fitness classes. Well, what do you think that does to somebody? It has an impact. I had bilateral Achilles tendinopathy in both of my ankles, and I needed physio for about 4 years. So, what does that mean in terms of clarity and confidence? Well, I overate. I emotionally ate. Of course, who wouldn't emotionally eat when you can barely walk? And this is something that you absolutely love to do. And you fast forward to this year, and suddenly I have neuralgia, which is inflamed nerves in my head. And you all know I'm on a little bit of a rest for that. I'm still not back at work. I'm still not serving clients. I'm starting to give a little bit of information out. But my plan is in September, I will be back in the game. Okay. I'm just giving myself the space. Well, the doctor's making me give myself the space. But here's what it boils down to. Would you have the confidence to walk around as an almost 50-year-old, I'll be 50 at the end of July, in an outfit like this, knowing that you have a little bit of a belly and you have work to do? Probably not, right? Most of us are so conscious of the way other people think of us, but yet we want our and expect our loved ones to be completely in love with every single part of our body, but we don't love ourselves enough. So today, once I get done a few things in the house, and once I get done, oh, thank you for the hearts and the love. Once I get done my law of attraction and my affirmations that I tend to do every day, I can do my journaling when I get back. It's finally not in the plus 30s already, so I can take the dogs for a walk. I am going for a walk like this because I love my body. Healthy or not, I love where I'm at in my life. I think for somebody that's like 49 and 99%, I'm doing okay. I've birthed 3 children. And all of that comes with clarity and confidence. So I will be doing a workshop in September. It's called Nice Sentiment. Thank you so much. I'm not wearing my glasses, so thank you. I will be doing a workshop in September. It's called Essentially You, and I will be putting the details when I post this live. And it's an absolutely free workshop. It doesn't matter where you're at in the world. If you cannot attend live, because I am in Eastern Standard Time, you can sign up still and get the replay. It's not the same as engaging. That's fine. But the thing is, I am offering this absolutely for free. I've written a book called Your Story Matters. And that's about becoming self-love and self-awareness so you can step into your light of confidence and clarity, because it's not up to anybody else to shine that beautiful light on the person that you are, my friends. That's completely up to you to show them the way. And life is way too short to be hyper focused on what other people think, because that does have an impact on your clarity and certainly your confidence. Think about this for a second. Have you ever been around people that make you feel small? Have you ever been in an environment where my mom's just saying good morning? She just sent a message to the family. Sorry, I got distracted. Real life here. Have you ever been in an environment or even a workplace where they don't like the way you do things or you're not doing things at par and how that impacts your confidence? No more. No more. If you don't feel it in your guts, if you don't feel like you can shine your bright light, I challenge you to think differently and see what else is out there. Friendship circles. Oh, I took a deep breath there, didn't I? Because that's so important. You need your tribe. You need those people that you can lean in on. I moved back from living up north. I lived up north for 14 years. Nobody there was my tribe. As soon as I moved back here, which I made this decision completely by myself, I moved back with my youngest daughter. It was the best move I've ever made, and all of the people that I've surrounded myself with are certainly my tribe. That means they hold space for me to have these moments of doubt and fear and heaviness. But more importantly, there's absolutely no judgment with any of us. That should be your tribe. Whether they help you grow and glow, they certainly should hold space for you to be the wonderful person that you are. Okay, I am not keeping you long today, guys. If you want to hear more of this, or let's start this. If you liked anything that you heard today, please do me a solid. Help me, or follow, subscribe to my channel, and help me get in front of more people. More people need to hear these messages. More people need to believe in themselves. Life is way too short for it otherwise. And second of all, pop into my bio. All of my social links are at the top. You will also see the links to my podcast and my YouTube. Of course, I'm looking for more subscribers there too, because I'm trying to build organically. I'm not buying lists. I'm not working with people to pump up my following. I want organic people that are truly aligned with my messages that I have to share and the gifts that I bring to the table. And I ask you to embrace your beauty today. Essentially, you. Be the person that you are. Shine your bright light into this world and do yourself a solid. Stop and smell the roses on your walk. Enjoy every minute of it, guys. Thank you so much for the beautiful roses, the beautiful love, not just today, but every day. And we will be back to our regular routine. It just might look different because throughout this time, I am definitely taking time to figure out what's working in my life and what isn't. Any kind of healing journey is a message. It's a big picture message that something needs to be done differently. And I am wide awake for what that message could be. Sending you so much love and joy, my friends. Have an amazing day today. Mwah. Talk to you soon.